Welcome to the Techie Tessie channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because it isn't programming based. But before we get into that, as you can see, Techie Tessie now has merch. If you want to get a t-shirt of your own, and we also sell mugs, notebooks, all sorts, check out the link in the description. I've been getting a lot of questions about how I create my social media banners, so today I'm going to show you using Canva. So what I've been getting asked about is how to create banners such as mine for social media pages such as YouTube, and I've been especially getting asked about LinkedIn. So this is canva.com. Go on templates, and down here you can find social media templates such as LinkedIn banners. So if you click on that, you can either choose from a range of designs that have been made already, and you can edit them to your own name and your own brand and such, or you can start from scratch. So for example, if I clicked on this design here, I'd say use this template. And I can just do things such as edit the text, edit the background color, things like that. And it's as simple as then downloading your image. And then you're done. One thing I will say though is that if you want to add your own picture, is that you have to physically copy it and paste it in with the command Control-V. Like, you can't just right click and paste. It tells you that you have to use Control-V. And it took me quite a long time to figure that out, but yeah. I hope you found this video helpful. Keep the code coming, check out our merch, and thanks again for watching.